guys. Hello guys. Yep. So what's been happening? We're back again. We're going live. We're back again. And today we're starting our Hangout session by introducing a new service. A new service is going to be introduced. Something new, something big has been introduced. But now we're going to let it out to the public. It was created last week. I don't know if some of you have seen it. Some of you might have seen it. Some of you might not have been able to see it. But today is going to be let known live to you guys. And for those who mostly would be trying to find out, oh, what's this? First of all, have you guys, if you've been to our page lately, we spoke about the Money Update Investment Group. Yeah, so I don't know if some of you guys have been able to see it lately. But we started an investment group, and the reason why we started this investment group because most people were asking themselves, "What is the Money Update Investment Group? What's this? Why did you guys start this investment group?" The reason why we started this investment group is to help traders. The same way we have our page to help connect traders to invest to trading groups. We're trying to help traders to connect traders to investment services and to teach traders how to invest online, because from what we've seen, investing online could be very risky. I know a couple of people that have been able to have that have had issues. I know a couple of people that have had issues investing online. Sometimes I see the situation, sometimes I see when they have problems and all. So today we're going to just talk about that, how to help reduce your risk investing online. Yeah, because that helps us to curve against scammers, so that we don't fall under the fingers or the hands of scammers. And also we'll be talking about another great thing, which is called the IML. So as we start this journey, hope you guys first of all, whatever questions you guys might have, those who are going to watch this, they're not live streaming this, who are watching this later, once that is when it's out, you can give your questions, whatever questions or whatever comments you have, you should drop them on the comment section. And also for being on anybody that comes through this page, that comes through this video, we're giving you guys a bonus. We're giving you free access into the investment group. So once you're watching this, or once you're reading this, or once you get to this YouTube video and you see the link under, you can always remember to join us for free. As long as you go through this video, you get free access to the Money Update Investment Group. So what do? We connect traders to investment groups, which we have seen highly probably effective. Now, what do we mean by the highly probably and probable, and effective? What do we mean by that? We mean something we have tested. Investment groups or services that we have invested in, and we are sure that they work. We do not, as the Money Update, like our dream is always to help traders, and now it is expanded to also investors. We always try to go first for people so that we risk ourselves going in first. The reason is to be able to test the waters, but then because of our experience, we know who and what type of traders to go for. And when we go for, we try their services for about a month and see them if they are very good for us, the customer service is good, if the trading services are good. That is, when I mean customer service, that is if the trader is not a hard person to work with. And when we mean that if the services are good, that is, are the service profitable? Because sometimes if you have a profitable trader but doesn't have a good relationship what would I call that? With good relationships, who's not good on the relationship scale. Sorry for that. That is having a problem to deal with people, then that could be an issue also. So we try to get investors and traders to the best people who know, okay, nice people to work with and also nice profits that they give. So for today, we'll be introducing you. For those who want to know about the investment group, we're about to share our screen and we're going live and direct. So if you guys can see, you guys should be able to see this. And this is the Money Update Investment Group. So like we said, we're introducing you guys. Anybody that comes through this video, you can click. Once you click on the group, you should be able to see how you can join. Once you click on this group, or if you can get the link over here, the Money Update Investment. Once you click on the group and request to join, as long as you come through the YouTube, will give you free access. Now, from here, what do we have in our investment group? We're going to take you to our first investment service, which we have worked with and which we've used and which has really worked for us. For example, which is the Options Bean Investment Service. Options Bean is one of the groups that we connect traders to. It's been a very good group when it comes to giving trade signals and when it comes to investments. So they started an investment service and we went, of course, we opted in. We tried the investment service for traders to see what would happen from it. And lucky for us, down here we're scrolling to what really happened. As you can see, we got paid. We invested with Damesh. Damesh Tashan is the CEO of Options Bean. So anybody that is going to invest with Options Bean, please be sure to talk to Damesh Tashan. Do not talk to anybody who is in the group or someone that just. Please try and talk to the admin. That's this person here, Damesh Tashan, so you don't fall under scams or anything. Talk to him about the procedures of joining the services. You can see we got paid. That's why we're showing you that okay, it's good for us. So you guys, we're giving you like proof. You guys, so you guys know exactly what's happening. When you talk to him, or once you get into the group, you should see something like this. Sorry, it's loading. Yes, I think it's about to show. Wow, it's clean. So you see something like this, right? There's the micro investment, the standard investment, there's the premium investment, and there's the VIP investment. What does this mean? What you do is you're investing in him per month. And what it does per month is, for example, you trade between 100 to 500. You get 20% of your investment plus your capital at the end of the month. And you have a maintenance fee of $10 for the month. After the investment, you can choose to reinvest if you want, but then the higher the capital, the better it is. For those who are investing between 500 to 1,000, you get 25% per month. But though you have to pay a maintenance fee of $50. This maintenance fee is a fee that is used to help the service get better. The premiums investment is also between 1,000 to 500. You get 30% returns on your investment for the month, and you pay a maintenance fee of $100. Rails, as we understand, same thing happens with the VIP. As we can see, the higher the capital, the higher the returns. But the highest return you can get is 35, and the highest investment is $10,000. So this is something we've worked with, and it worked for us for the first month. We realized that we have to say this here and say it again. Investing online is risky, but that's where we come in. We try to help traders by investing ourselves in something we think that is highly probable from the traders after doing our due diligence on the traders, because sometimes investors don't get to do that. They don't know how to do due diligence on traders. But we will do our due diligence with traders, and after that, we also invest with the traders, and we'll see it works, and we see that it's probable traders can give us problems, and everything will bring the trader to limelight. That's just how we work for it. But remember, when you're investing, try to do your due diligence, or you can join our group. But then you join our group, we'll connect you to people that we've already worked with, which makes it easier for you, so you work with them. However, noticing that trading, and this is forex trading, so any form of forex trading is actually risky. But then this is someone we've worked with that, like you said, who's quite good. But then he's also on a promo. this returns might actually reduce anytime soon. So if you're in, the faster it is for you, the better it is for you. But as before even talking more about that, whenever it comes to investing, whenever sorry, we're going to have to go back. Whenever it comes to investing, I want you guys to always remember one thing: diversification of investments. Now, when you're investing, you do not invest all your money in one trader or in one person or in one, however the case may be. Do not invest in just one. Do not invest in just one. When you are investing, please tend to spread your risks. Because imagine you put your money in just one. Anything can happen. You're trading, anything could literally happen. The trader falls sick. He doesn't have a good week. So therefore, it doesn't affect, it affects his month. He doesn't have a good month, or for some sort of reason, the market has a very down toll on the particular trader. What happens to you if one trader can? If you give just one trader and doesn't execute the final results? That's why it doesn't make sense just putting your whole money in just one person. It doesn't make sense in that way. So what we talk about is diversification of investments. Remember, guys, so it should always sorry. The investments, like we said, sorry, diversify your, I had to do something, sorry. So to diversify your investments, like we said, diversify your investments, put in different things. Do you understand? Do not invest just all your money. You should on your own if you don't have another what they call another investment service online. You can look for services, investment services around your home, around your country. Just the point is to be aware of investments. Once you start being aware of investments, open your mind to investment, change your way of thinking, start looking, focus your mind on opportunities for investment. You will see more. Then you'll be able to split your risk. You understand? So what we advise, like I said, always split your risk. So therefore, as we talk about splitting the risk, we've introduced you to the money update, right? The money update investment service. We've shown you the money update investment service. We've shown you how it works, how you can join. And if you join through us, we'll connect you directly to options being investment service, where you can, it's one of the services that we've seen to work. Another service that we are actually trying out currently is the IML. Now, a lot of people are going to ask, what's the IML? What's the IML? So IML, 3 letters, what do they mean? It means International Market Live. And International Markets Live is a platform, it's a wonderful dynamic platform that gives you a whole lot of opportunities, especially if you're a trader or you're new to trading. You want to learn how to trade, you want to earn while you're trading. They're also different. It's a wonderful platform. I mean, there are investment packages, and the investment packages, services, sorry, and also their academic services also to teach traders, because their point is to help you become a trader, not for you to invest with them on the long run, but or to connect to their traders, but to actually learn how to trade on your own. So because of that, we'll be going directly to that. Let me share my screen with you guys on what we call IML. So as we can see here, can we guys, I hope you can see, this is the IML. This is the IML Markets Live. This is our own platform on the IML. Yeah. So what's it about? You can see there's something called the swing trades, the daily trades, the IML Academy, the IML TV, Harmonic Scanner, Web Analyzer. So what these are all different services. I'll go through them one by one, but in order for you to know more, you can always go online, go and search for what is IML. You can go to YouTube and check on what IML is. You see various things about IML. Of course, from there you want to connect, but then you need somebody to connect through. Remember, you can come through us and join IML through us. We spoke about IML in our last page. Yes. If you go to our group, you can see spoke about IML Live, International Markets Live. You can join via the money updates. You understand. So back to what we're saying. Live. We're live here on the swipe trades. We have the daily swipe trades, IML Academy. Swipe trades is just, it's funny. It's a very nice thing. You get professionals who send you signals to your phone. Now, when they get to your phone, you choose. You yourself, you get to choose. Yes, sorry, they are undergoing some upgrades. So sometimes some things get slow on the site. Please bear with us. Bear with them, actually. Okay, he's here. Yeah. However, this is the swipe trades, the daily swipe trades, the IML Academy. The IML Academy is the academy that teaches you a whole lot of things, fam. Look at this. It gives you this the basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, basic 4, technical analysis, intermediate 2, advanced 1, mindset, market geometry, and all these things can be learned by just clicking and watching the videos. Click and watch the video. Although I advise you have a strong internet for you to be able to watch videos, but then this is it. So you can learn on it while you're here. And also this the swipe trades. The swipe trades is quite different. The swipe trades get professional traders who send you trades to your phones. Just like the lady, this is exactly what happens. Trade information comes to your phone just like this, and you can copy it. You can copy what they want and trade directly on your own. That is when you have your own broker. In case you don't have a broker and you're looking for like a good broker to work with, you can contact us. We will definitely hook you up with like a good broker to work with. So this the daily swing trades where the CEO himself trades with people. He gives people signals by himself. He's going to be trading. Christopher Terry, that's the CEO. So he gives trades. IML Harmonic Scanner, something different. I don't know if you've traded, you will have heard of the Harmonic Scanner. And if you've not heard about the Harmonic Scanner, what it is there are probabilities. There are trade signals that are core as a result of setups on the markets. Things like this. You can see these triangles. These are harmonic. It's a harmonic pattern. They call them patterns, which have to do with different Fibonacci ratios. That's a whole different topic on its own, but that's a bit I can give you some information on. So from here, something like this, you get you get your buy stop where you take your profits. You take profit 2, take profit 3, and this you get an entry position, and you get your stop. It gives you everything when you look at it when it comes to trading. So for instance, we can go into our trading platform just to show you what this looks like when it comes to trading. Yeah. So this is it. We're waiting for yes, hot forex. Like I said, it's a very good hot forex is a good way of getting a broker, a good broker. So if you really want to work with them or need a good broker, you can connect to them. You can also contact us directly. Once you contact us directly, of course, we would help. Now, when it comes to the harmonic scanner, it has a high probability, but then remember, trading is all about probabilities. It doesn't mean there's not absolute at every point in time. It's just probabilities. Remember that. So let's see. One of them has them. So like I said, just to explain what probabilities are, this is one of them. So when it occurs here, this is one of them that actually lost. I'm showing this just to show you how transparent it is. I'm not going to lie to you about anything. This is one of the trades that actually lost. But how I trade in a very different way. I don't use stop losses. So it's funny how you can see stuff like this. They're on the negative, but when you come to my account history, I'm in profit. I have profits. So this is my own strategy. As we can see here, when it comes to my losses are quite small compared to my wins, which are like a whole lot of wins. because of my strategy. But apparently, it's not just the IML I use. I use the IML and I use my strategy. I have my strategy, my own. I have my strategy. I have my own ways of trading. Put it that way. I have my ways of trading. Like I said, I don't use stop losses. But I combine everything with this and also the swing trades because they send it directly to my phone. Like I told you guys, the swipe trade. Sorry, they send it directly to the phone. So exactly, this is a basic understanding of how this works. You can click here. They come up. They pop up for you. So this is another one with the entry. You can come here. They pop up for you. However, when they pop here, you can see go to IML. You like IML Fusion Trader. Here you can connect your trading account. This is where the investment comes in. You can connect your trading accounts directly to traders. We're waiting for it to load, and when it loads, we're going to show you. You connect it directly to traders, and traders are going to trade your account with their own signals. The good thing about it is your money is not actually with them. Your money is in your broker. But the trades they take are going to be reflected in your own account. So it's called mirror trading. This is the introducing the all new Havings Diamond Trader. It's a mirror trader, 100% hands free. Copy the experts, choose your own lot size, welcome profit. So then your money keeps growing. I'll show you an account week because at high trade, like I told you before, diversification of investment. I always diversify. I always diversify no matter what. So this is, let me just open an account. This is one account. Remember this, how you know, this is my account where I trade live with signals and my own signals and strategies that I've learned, especially from my yes, you can look at this. For instance, I was about to give an instance. This was where it came in. You take your, then this was the take profit one. I don't like going for take profit twos or take profit threes. Reason being, my strategy, I have, if I get signals from here, I still get a whole lot of signals from my own basic strategy by looking at my chart. This is one of my charts. Some very rough charts. I'm sure to you guys, man, it might look so rough, but some things I really understand. So you would have gotten in here if you'd gotten in here when it started. They take profit one, you should have made your profit. That is if your spreads are not like really sad spreads by the brokers. That's why there's some accounts you should use, and like trying to get an ECN account will helps you with good spreads. So you have a good spread, you will have gotten this straight up win. However, like I said, the probabilities the probability is an 80% probability, which means it's not all times it's going to work. But like we all understand, that's how trading. It's not all times it actually gets to work. But then, as we see it, we've seen how it is. We can tell. So we'll go straight to where we were before. Like I said, this is our account. So we flipped. We made 203 weeks. From 500, we made 703 weeks. 700 in 3 weeks, right? So added the 200% profit. $200 profit, no, not 200%, $200 profit, which is just basically a 40% profit. We're targeting we're trying to get like 50% in 1 month. So as we all like this, we're really grateful to God for this. However, let's open to the next one. So this is the next one. This is by them also, and they've given us a 10% profit, 555.59. So I'm showing you this. This is one connected to their trader, to one of the IML traders through diffusion. So there's a trader that's trading on my account at the moment. He's trading the account and he's traded up to this level. So this is where the investment comes in. When you invest in this way, this is how the investment comes in. But what I always advise is you learn to trade yourself, man. You can go to the academy. Like I said, it's a wonderful academy. Learn to trade yourself while other people are trading for you. You can divide the money you have into two, just like how we divided the money into half, into two, and then start trading on our own. Traded on one and connected to the second trader. So that's how it works. So for there, you can see, you can be able to know what kind of services you really want for yourself. Do you want to continue trading yourself, or do you want someone to continue giving you signals? Of course, you realize that their past doesn't determine the future. That is, past profits don't mean future profits. That's how trading is. And if you do not understand that in trading, if you do not understand the risk in trading, please do not trade. Really do not trade. The reason why I trade, the way I trade, I'm making profits. I understand how this market is. So to me, it's not gambling. But if you don't understand what it is, things like your risk management, if you have first of all, please, this is an announcement to everybody out there. If you're a trader, do not trade with less than $500, please. And your lot size, the minimum lot size on the $500 account should be 0.01. That's the smallest lot. 0.01, please. Because I believe in my form of trading, any trading other than that, if not done by a professional, will be seen as gambling. Except if you're a professional and you've done it over time, because there are big people who are doing big things. When it comes, they can flip $100 to something. This is great, but that's when it comes to flipping. But when it comes to you as a trader, you're starting, you're not much of a trader. Please don't go like on my account. I don't go with less than 0.01. It's just it. That's how it is for me. Sorry, that's my phone coming in. Guys, stay busy. However, however, back to trading. So this is what we need to do. We've been able to explain what these things that are on like a fundamental level. So if you truly want to join these services, please do not forget, go to the bottom, go to the comment section. When you get to the comment section, everything's got to work for you. Sorry about that, my phone got wrong again. So that's all we have on the Hangout session. Remember, IML, good platform for learning and investing. To learn to invest also more on online, you can join our group for free. We'll connect you to the best investment groups. But please, you have to answer our questions when you're joining in, as long as it comes from this video that we're watching right now, or that's been streamed right now by you. So thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Invest, but learn to invest wisely. Remember, risk management and diversification of investments. Thank you very much. Have a good night. God bless.